Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey fans, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a clean and decorate with me. Today I am going to decorate my family room for Christmas and I am super duper excited about it. I cannot wait to finish off this room. We are already just enjoying it, watching Christmas movies and eating popcorn and just all the cozy feels. I already have my fireplace done and my Christmas tree is done and up, as you can see. And so I just want to bring you guys along as I finish up the space. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decors, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I would love for you to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. So come on, let's go ahead and clean and decorate. Welcome to Christmas in July 2023. So kicking off Christmas in July, I am going to be giving you guys some decorating inspiration for the upcoming Christmas season. I am going to be throwing in some oldies but goodies videos, and I'm also going to be giving you guys some new and fresh inspiration for Christmas this year. So definitely hang tight. I hope that you guys are inspired from these videos and that you too can know that you can create things that are beautiful and affordable for your Christmas holiday. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? I'll place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and round. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. But my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy. Right here by the Christmas tree is where I'll hold my breath to, but he won't know what hit him. See me standing there. The world will disappear and he will man up. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Oh, let this mistletoe moment give us everything we want. Everything we want.
Dasher and Prancer, moving through this life on this cold December day. On this cold December day.
And this is what the family room is looking like, you guys. It is super warm and cozy. I mean, the weather was right. it was snowing, I had the fire going, and the tree is lit. It just feels incredible in my family room, and we love it. We love spending time in here and watching Christmas movies or vlogs or whatever, and just enjoying curling up on the couch, you know, with our blankets and popcorn. I love the way that it turned out this year. And I know I say it every year that each space that I decorate is my favorite, but you guys, I feel like this year this decor style for Christmas is absolutely my favorite. It's simple yet traditional and classic, but I love all the greenery. I love all the woodland theme. I love all the earth tones and the moody colors. I am just in love. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and definitely let me know what you guys think down below about my family room for Christmas. I hope that it inspired you guys somehow, and that you have some takeaways that you can, you know, use in your home as well. Decorate your home on a budget, you guys. Don't go breaking the bank to get Christmas things. These are decorations that I collected over the years. I did go out and purchase a few things, but I did not go crazy this year. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a fantabulous day. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.